good girl at home, waiting up all alone. I'm out here fucking around with the same shit I've been on. Little baby popped up in my DM, say she in town for the weekend. Can I see you tonight? Now I'm drunk speeding on the 580. When I get it, I'ma go crazy. I'ma go so hard for you, baby. You just don't know how bad I want you. And now we up in this room, and I'm touching on you, but deep down I still feel so confused. Call it insane how I be doing the same shit, thinking something's gonna change, but at the end of the day I never learned my lesson. I just can't leave her alone.